Got it. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel.
Mark.
I ever told you that you're my hero?
Those are lyrics.
I know.
Sing it.
No, I can't. I'll get demonetized.
Sing it. You just sing it.
Look, you got Pony, you got Xander.
I saw you doing trick shots.
Dude, I landed one of them.
I want to see you do a cartwheel.
I can't do that. I can
Do it.
No, I can't.
Show him.
Okay, here you go. I did it.
Alex will show you.
I did it. Oh, I'm good. We're going to jump back in time a little bit. We've got the daily driver, streetcar, force induction, and naturally aspirated cruise. And a cool subscriber came up to us, all of us, which was really cool.
You know what this means, don't you?
What?
You gotta own a Mustang when you get older.
I will. If I can get one.
Hit that red button right there. Just hit it.
There you go.
There you go.
That's horsepower for you.
Give it a little gas. Go ahead, you ain't gonna hurt it. There you go. There you go. All you gotta do is hit that button right there again and it'll turn it off. There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem. That excites all of us because that is the new generation coming up that's going to carry on from us and carry on this car culture that we love so much, you know. We're here with Drew Howell from Zero End Racing.
That's correct.
Hooked us up with the N2MB box. Yes, I know I need to install it. Been really busy, but we're going to install it. Hopefully it's coming up week. But anyway, guys, so go check out Zero End Racing. Drew Howell on Facebook. I'll put all this stuff down in the description. Go check them out. Who hook up some cool parts. Of course, we got Xander 13, and then we got Pony 1992. Got a big race coming up here in a minute. Yeah, he's racing. First round eliminations. First round eliminations. He gets a wicked twin turbo S550 to race. First round eliminations. So he's got to go up against that car. So it's wicked. So anyway, guys, wish him the best of luck. So guys, we're gonna get some elimination rounds here now. Chris is gonna get the buy on this run. Here we go, guys. 2JZ 240 right here, guys. Watch this.
Damn, that was a good race.
Damn 2JZ ain't no joke.
Dude. And that was a good race too. They both made good passes. With the win in the daily driver naturally aspirated. They keep getting stuck on the line. We got the finals for the daily driver power adder. Fast cars right here, guys. Guys, we're about to make a test hit. It's late at night. Well, it's 10:30. It's not that late, but same situation we were in the last video. Cold outside, so we're just gonna leave it on low boost. Appreciate it, big guy. 672. In my last video, guys, I got a 672. This run was a 672. I kid you not. It could be a bracket car, guys. 672 at 108.5. Now, last night I was 109. But, yeah. So, I backed up my 672 with another 672. Getting all these logs for Daryl from Wengerd Performance to look over, see how he likes everything. Appreciate it, man. All right, so that's 673, 108.85. This car is just so consistent. You guys, we're gonna line her up to go home. Put her on the trailer and then go to the hotel. All right, it's been a few days since the event. I wanted to take this opportunity to thank everybody that came out to help support the event. You guys absolutely rock. You know what? There's no better, I don't care what anybody says, there is no better community than the car community, and especially the drag racing community. Everybody just always comes together. We might trash talk here and there, but at the end of the day, we come together, we help one another out, and we have a lot of fun doing it. So huge shout out to all you guys. Also huge shout out to Brandon with Hurricane Productions for coming in with RJ and I to help make this event so successful. He was handling everything out there, the driver meetings, everything, and a huge shout out to him. Guys, 2021 is looking really, really good for next year. I'm looking to have at least 1 or 2 more events like that, and maybe some other stuff. Also, don't forget, we got Ford Takeover coming up this spring. We have not ironed out the dates yet, but it will be a 2-day event. We got to get with the track owner here and get everything ironed out for that. Highly looking forward to that. That's getting bigger and bigger every year. And also with the race events, I'm looking forward to having them every year now and them getting bigger and bigger. Guys, stay tuned to the channel, my Facebook, Speed Addict 731 page, my Instagram, Speed Addict 731. My community page on here also, and also stay tuned for more videos and announcements as everything gets planned out for 2021 race season. Guys, we are going to have an absolute blast next year, and if everything goes as planned with my car, we're gonna have a lot of fun next year, guys. A lot of fun. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.